Hi guys, so this is Leigh's Tyres, our existing client. We did do an install for them before in Mitchell's Plain. So this is another venue that they have in Voortrekker Road. So Voortrekker Road is quite a busy road. You can go to Goodwood from here. There's a lot of car dealerships. Very busy main road. So this is the venue. Right, let me just see if I can get to. So at the moment there's no signs for Leigh's Tyres, right? This was another place, another venue, right? So this is inside. As you can see, they're still busy. They're planning to open next week, probably on Monday, but there's still quite a bit of work to be done. Okay. So as you guys can see, there's another entrance here for cars to come through. Okay. It's on the main road of Voortrekker. Actually, Voortrekker is the main road. Right. So, for the point of sales, right, it is in the office. There's another stairs thing. It is in the office, but they are going to move it around because they're still setting up and things like that. So I just put it here for now. They wanted it here for now. Okay, so this is our point of sales. Right, fingerprint reader, cash drawer, receipt printer, and the POS terminal. Right, and this is the office.